Student, in the last video we have seen distance time graph for uniform motion. In that graph was straight line. Why? Because the object covers equal distance in equal time of interval. That's why that graph was a straight line. Now we are going to study velocity time graph for uniform velocity. See here that one train is moving with uniform velocity by 60 km per hour. Now for the graph, for plotting the points, take a table having time 0 to 5 hours and velocity which is constant throughout. That means from starting the train have velocity 60 km per hour. After 1 hour its velocity is also 60, and after 5 hours its velocity is also 60 km per hour. Now plot this graph. See here, to plot these points, on x-axis there is time in hours and on y-axis there is velocity kilometer per hour, and the title of the graph is velocity time graph for uniform velocity. Write the scale of that graph on the right side of the page. That is the scale for graph. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 hour, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 km per hour. Now join these points by line. See here, that is the line. That means there is constant velocity of that train. Now suppose from second hour to fourth hour, the area on this graph we have to calculate now. Now the graph is plotted. We have some questions on it. First question is, how many distance covered that train from second hour to fourth hour. Calculate this by graph. See here, here we have to calculate area of the rectangle. By this table, time versus velocity, the graph is plotted. That train is moving with velocity 60 km per hour, and suppose that train is moving from second hour to fourth hour. Calculate the area of this ABCD rectangle and compare it with the velocity of that train. Now calculate the area ABCD rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 60 into 2, 60 into 2, that is equal to 120, that is 120 square kilometer. That means the area of that rectangle ABCD is 120 square kilometer. Now the second question is, what is the relation between distance covered by the train and the area? See here, second question is, what is the relation between distance covered by the train and the area on the graph? That is, we know the formula, distance is equal to velocity into time. That is, here velocity is 60 and time is from 2 to 4, that is 2 hours. That's why 60 into 2, that is equal to 120 kilometer. That is the distance covered by the train in 2 hours, and hence there is distance and area is equal. Distance is equal to area. Last question is, what is the acceleration of that train? We know the formula for acceleration, that is acceleration is equal to v minus u upon t, where v is final velocity, that is at this point, and u is initial velocity, that is at this point A, divided by time, that is 2 hour. acceleration is equal to 60 minus 60, that is final velocity is 60 and initial velocity is also 60. Therefore 60 minus 60 upon 2, that is 0. Acceleration is 0 kilometer per square hour. We know that, we have studied that when the velocity of any object is constant, at that time acceleration is 0, and here by graph it is proved that is acceleration is 0. Thank you.